This one I was waiting to get. Yo! That's Elvis Turbulence, created by Mr. Jack Cavalier, and this is one of the inaugural fragrance by LV. See what makes this so expensive and what makes this so special. Yeah! That's today's bad boy. Oh my goodness. Listen to the sound. Wow. It feels like pure jasmine, the kind of a tuberose, magnolia, and rose, leather, musk, and a feel of a sandalwood, I guess. Yeah, chandanam. It's nice. Like, you know, that's a nice logo over there. Anyway, that's today's Hero Turbulence.